So now we can copy the formatting from here. We can paste it here as format since it's referring to another worksheet. So we can paste all EST as format. Just make it green. Now we can move forward to calculating leverage of multiples. So in this case, let's calculate the debt to equity, which will take for each company. And we can also calculate the total debt to the total capital structure. So debt to debt divided by equity. Just make sure that we have those in brackets. So we have that in place that we can copy this and paste all ES. Let us paste F as formulas so that we can keep the borders down in place, and we can also make sure that we can replace the border here by going Alt Edge B. Let's insert a bottom border. So we have that set up in place there. And then for our 5-year average tax rate, as we said before, let us switch to our corporate taxes sheet where we have here data for the average 5-year taxes for each country. So we can begin from here by just taking the average of the last 5 years of taxes from 2016 to 2020. We can grab all of those. Just take the average. We can copy that to the bottom. So we just paste right here all ES spaces formulas. So now, as you can see, let us go down to the countries that those companies belong to in our ComStab, comparable companies tab. So let us go there. Let us search for. We have here the United States. As you can see, there is an average 5 years tax rate of 25%. We also have to search for Germany and Luxembourg. So for Germany, as we can see, we have an average tax rate here of 30%. And then for China, we have an average tax rate of approximately 25%. And then Luxembourg, right here, we have an average tax rate of 26%. And lastly, the United States, we have an average tax rate of 32%. So we can switch back to our weighted average cost of capital worksheet, and we can now compute the tax rate for the United States. So in this case, as we said, is 32%. So make sure that we take the exact tax rate of 32.2%. So take the exact tax rate of 32%, we can fill that 32.2%, we can fill that down to the target corporation. However, here for China, it's 25%. We can copy this again for the United States, and let us paste it here up to Oracle. However, for S&P, it is based in Germany, and we saw that the average tax rate for Germany was 30%. Then we can copy this and paste for Netflix, VMware, and for Spotify, it is based in Luxembourg, and they have a tax rate of approximately 26%. And for Roku and Sirius XM Holdings, it is based in the United States, so we can include a tax rate of 32%.